What do we need to do to get prepared for the winter?
I would kind of break it down into taking care of my tools, my hand tools, taking care of my gasoline-powered equipment, and my spray equipment. You kind of break it down into those three. Those are the three things that I try to take care of getting your equipment ready.
Yeah.
On your hand tools, I would make sure they're clean. That's the number one thing. Your shovels and hose and rakes and things like that, make sure they're clean. Coat the metal parts with a light coat of oil. You can use WD-40 or you can use your burnt cylinder oil that you have left over when you change the oil in your lawnmower or your tiller. Have an oily rag that's saturated with that, and make sure that all the metal parts are coated with a light coat of oils, one way or the other. If you have wooden handles, lightly sand those wooden handles. Again, a shop cloth or a piece of a towel or an old t-shirt, and saturate it with boiled linseed oil and just rub it all up and down that handle, and it'll be ready for another year of work. Sharpen, your shovels and your hose and all that. Go ahead and knock the burrs off of them if you've hit rocks with them and things like that, and do that before you coat it with oil. And that should have your hand tools, ready to go. As far as your tiller and your lawnmower and your things like that, change the oil, put clean air filters in. It's probably best to run the fuel out of them, let them run completely out. Okay. That's probably the best thing to do. If you're going to be using like I'm going to use my mower all winter, mulching leaves.
Yeah, I will too.
I make sure that I have stabilizer in the gasoline. You'll be okay to leave that fuel in your machines if you're going to be using them over the winter. Your sprayers, by all means wash them out, take the tips out and put them in detergent, your strainers and all of those, and rinse triple rinse your sprayers and hang them upside down where they can completely dry out, and you'll be good to go there.